Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all keeping well and safe, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do show your support by subscribing to my channel. As we enter into the fall season, I wanted to share with you guys a really warm orange eye makeup tutorial. If you want to know how I achieve these orange smoky eyes, then please continue watching. So I'm going to begin by applying my base and then moving on to the eyes. So I'm going to begin by priming my face, and the primer I'm using is the Professional Primer. Using my fingers, I'm going to apply this all over my face, concentrating on my T-zone. Next, I'm going to take the Ordinary Serum Foundation and the Dior Forever Undercover Foundation and apply this all over my face. I'm just going to mix these two foundations and apply it with the Beauty Bay foundation brush. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Concealer and apply this under my eye area and blend it out with a beauty blender. To set everything in place, I'm using NARS pressed powder and using the sponge it comes with to press it all over my face. Now I'm going in with my Huda bronzer and applying this just under my cheekbones, forehead and the sides of my nose. Now taking this peach blush by Smashbox, I'm going to apply this just above where I've applied my bronzer. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to begin by priming my eyes, and I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. And using a flat shader brush, I'm just going to pat this all across my eyelids. I'm going to use a Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and using this light orange shade and a flat shader brush, I'm going to place this onto the socket area of my eye. Next, I'm going in with this dark brown shade, and using a crease brush, I'm going to place this onto the outer corner of my eye. I'm pressing the eyeshadow onto the base at the same time I'm patting it outwards to blend out the colour. Now I'm going to take this burnt orange colour, and using a flat shader brush, I'm going to pat this next to the brown shade that we've just placed, effectively onto the centre of the eyelids. To blend both colours, I continue patting the orange shade next to the brown. Taking this orange shade and blending out the crease area of my eye, so I'm diffusing the colour upwards. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking the same brown shade we applied to the outer corner of the eye, and I'm applying this to the outer corner of the lower lash line. I'm using a really thin shader brush to do so. Then I'm going to take this orange shade and apply this to the inner lower lash line, blending it out with the brown. Next, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Baby Doll Mascara and apply this to my lashes, including my lower lashes. I continue to build up the mascara until I am happy with the output. You can also add false lashes at this stage. For highlight, I'm taking this Cleopatra Kiss palette by Sleek, and using a pencil brush, I'm going to apply this under my brow bone and into the inner corners of my eyes. And then using my blush brush, I'm going to take this gold and apply this onto the high points of my cheeks. I'm finishing up the brows by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel and using a spoolie, applying this to my brows. And finally, we're on to the lips. I'm taking this lip liner by Kiko in the shade 513 and outlining my lips. It's like an orangish red shade. For lipstick, I'm taking the Makeup Forever lipstick in the shade Intense, and this is like a bright orange. As the colour was too bright, I went in with the NYX matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, and this helped neutralise the brightness to more of a burnt orange look. Final step is to set everything with setting spray, and guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who you think will be interested in this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and take care for now. I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!